He's actually not white, but he's my no, stop. You are my white man.
You're my black woman.
But you never called me a black woman before.
You're my black woman.
No,
yeah.
You're my white man.
You're my black woman.
Whatever. But
oh, yes, of course. It's the gate to the here.
So we're at church. We're at church. We're at church. Today's Madison's dedication, so she's right there. Hey, Anthony, just
Can I have it over here in the meantime? All of the others?
Jaxson
of Madison has been charged to you by God and through your choice to bring Madison into the world of sin and woe. You have covenanted with God to ensure, as the best of your ability, that she will also stand on the sea of glass.
Hi guys, so I haven't updated you guys since this morning for Maddie's dedication. We had her dedication. It was beautiful. I almost cried, but I didn't, you know. I kept it together. And somebody asked, they were like, why are you popping your lip? It's my lip. I'm my lip. If you want to pop it, me pop it. You have your lip. Me tell you what to do with your lip. Me not tell you what to do with your lip. Don't tell me what to do with mine. People are so simple-minded. Like, they have their own life. And then when they screw up their life, they want to come tell you how to live their life. As in, they get to live two lives. No. Live your life and leave mine alone, alright? That's why I pop my lip. Anyways. I do it out of habit anyways. I do it out of habit. And there go my husband. The white man. This is my white man. He's actually not white, but he's my no, stop. You are my white man.
You're my black woman.
But you never called me a black woman before.
You're my black woman.
No.
Yeah.
You're my white man.
Okay, then you're my black woman.
Whatever. But there go our caramel baby. Today was her dedication, and it went well. It went beautiful.
Yeah, it went well. Yes,
I'm cold because we're at the in-laws' house because you know we celebrate Christmas at midnight. So we are here with all of our luggage and stuff. I hate traveling with baby because they come with so much stuff, so much. But tonight we're gonna get turned up. Baby, we're gonna get. Come on, jam with me. Come on. No. We're gonna get. I can't dance for anything. I am like your typical white girl. Can't dance. That's no shade or anything.
Your hands are so rough, Daddy.
But here's Maddie. Say hi, baby girl. I'm trying to get her in this outfit. I took off her outfit and I'm about to put it in this wet bag. So I'm gonna put that in the wet bag. Yeah. Put that in the wet bag. And then, see, there I go, popping my lip. Right, Maddie? Popping my lip. I had a sock on here for her. I just changed her diaper, so don't come for me. Because you know you people love to come for people. So I just changed her diaper. And there I go, popping my lip again. I told you, it's out of habit. So if you don't like me popping my lip, then I'm sorry. I can't find her sock that I was going to put on her. So I want her to wear a sock. I want her to wear a sock. But I can't find the socks. I can't find the socks. So, yes, baby. Mommy can't find your sock. Did I put it back in the bag? I'm slow. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go tend to her and then I'll come back, alright? Good morning, sunshines. It's a new week. First time picking up the camera. Look at my two beauties. Say hi. Say hi. So I'm getting ready to go to the store and get some dinner. So I'm getting ready to go to Howard City and pick up some dinner. And I don't know. Vlogmas is over. Yeah, because this is not going to be a Vlogmas video. Vlogmas is over. And I don't know where to go in terms of which direction to go with my channel. I don't know.
Mommy.
Oh, she's so cute. Oh man, look at her. She's so adorable. I don't know which direction to go in terms of, with my channel. Which direction to go with my channel. I want to continue to vlog, but I don't know if it's going to be daily. You guys might get 2 videos per week, and that's about as much as I can possibly do with a newborn. Because I haven't, this is the first time picking up the camera all week, and today is Thursday, right after Christmas. So with that said, I'm gonna take you guys along with us. You may or may not come out the bag. I'm joking, I'll take you guys out the bag, but yeah, let's go. Ooh, look at my face, I'm all washed out. You know I like to give you guys perfect lighting, right? If I can find it. Right there. Right there. So I'm gonna go pick up dinner. And I want to go to Michael's to go get some planning supplies to plan out, you know, my YouTube videos and all of that, and be organized and be more, you know, consistent with you guys, because now that you guys are rolling on in, I want to be consistent and continually give you guys content that are, you know, superb quality. Big words. Yeah, superb. Yeah. And I want to do that for you guys. So I'm going to invest time and effort and money into my channel so that it may grow and be something better than what it is now. So anyways, with that said, let's go. Let's go. Come on, Destiny. I'm leaving the bigger boys here because I have a Ford Focus, as you guys may know. I have a Ford Focus, and not all of them fit in there. My husband do, however, owns a Ford Explorer, which he has, so there's no way that I can transport all of my children safely to the store, which is right over
Jaxson, put on your
right over there. It's not far.
Why? Because we're going
And
Peter.
why do I look so washed out? Maybe it's the lighting, I don't know. But
Jaxson, why are you wearing shorts?
I'm gonna go give these boys instruction and I will be right back. What are you boys doing?
Putting on the clothes. Those Jordan said.
No.
I don't know what he was doing, but it was wrong.
My big boy's doing laundry. Or they're sorting laundry. What is that? What did you just throw? What is it?
A bra.
A bra. Why did you throw it?
I don't know how to sort one.
What do you mean you don't know how to sort one? When you get older and you get a wife, are you gonna throw her bra all about the place and be like, oh?
Daddy doesn't do that.
You have to sort it. That's mommy's stuff. You know where it goes. We can't put you on camera, Gio, because you're naked. Put your shirt on.
How do you sort that?
Look at my 2 booties. My 2 booties. You guys saw these 2 earlier.
She's looking at my hair.
Yeah, we flat ironed Destiny's hair last night because she wanted it straight. We're gonna see how long we can keep it straight. And little Madison is over here just chilling out with Sissy. Cause oh, look at this guy. Hi, you ready? Okay, put your shoes on.
Me just stay.
Yes, the big boys are staying.
They'll be fine.
Yeah.
And remember, I'm still knocked on the door.
So we're gonna go to the store and I'm gonna go pick up dinner and then come right back because I don't really trust these 2 alone. But I have to, you know, eventually start trusting them. So yeah, don't disappoint me. So I'ma go. I'm so tired. is what I have to deal with right now. She's just like, she's just like hanging out. Look at her tiny little toes. So guys, I went to I went to Harris Teeter today. I'm so tired. Why am I so tired? Went to Harris Teeter today, got groceries and everything, and came back home, put away groceries, started dinner, waited on hubby to get home, because he's been interviewing for jobs, because, you know, I told you guys about his current predicament. Yeah, so he's been interviewing for jobs. A couple of them are hopeful. He got hired for one, but it's part-time. So he's going to keep the part-time going with the full-time. That way we can pay off bills and get into our house faster. I don't put my personal business on YouTube, but that's just where my husband is currently. Why is my battery dying? Like, seriously. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, even though it wasn't a lot. I tried to give you guys something, you know. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.